Research complete.
Hello guys, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about how we can create the four-way traffic light system. Two-way traffic light system I already created a link in description. Go and visit guys. One subscriber request for this video about how we can create the four-way traffic light system. That's why I'm going to create this one. Okay, so now let's start. Yeah, and first of all, what you do, I will show you. This is the first link, and you can search LabVIEW traffic lights. This is the first video about the two-way traffic light system. Link in description. Go and visit. Yes, now let's start. Yeah, press Ctrl E, go to the tools, and right now I'm using the DSC module for the decoration, or you can say as like a SCADA. Yeah, image navigator. Yeah, otherwise what you do, the second option is chat, and go to the Chrome, and you need to search like traffic lights or symbols. Okay, and after that what you do, right click here, and you need to save this image like this. I'll show you the one example. Yeah, let I click to desktop, and I am at here like QM normal name. This one, now what you do, you need to click and drag here like this, and you can see help of this you can easy to modify. No need to install the DAC module. This one, this is the best method if you are not able to install the DAC module. Now I'll delete this one. Now go to the tools. Right now I'm using this module, DAC module, and yeah, click to image navigator. Yeah, there have lots of function, function you can use, but right now what to do, I will search about the as like a road. Okay, yeah, this one. Now I'm drag this short vertical, and the next one I need to drag, that is the let's modify. I will show you the one document, and this document is provided by the subscriber about create this project. And let's go step by step. This is the step one. In this there have a four traffics or forward traffics. Like you can see, this is the A. Okay, left side A, B, and C and D. Right now we will design same as like this. Okay, A, C, B, D. uh, okay, like this, and let's copy same this one. Let's increase their size. Yes guys, like this. Now what you do, let's copy this one and paste here, same as like a duplicate. It's very helpful for you. Yes, let's increase their size. Okay, same for this one. And what you need to duplicate this one also, and like this. Yeah, and you see it's looking amazing guys. Okay, and the next step, we need to drag the lights here in the four-way A, C, B, and D. And let me do right click here and go to the silver. Right now, let me choose the and go to the decoration. Right now, what you do, I'm choose this round box here, and let me connect here like this. Yes, guys. Okay, same for this one. Let me increase their size. Yes. And right now what to do, I need to increase their size because it's looking very small. Let me increase. uh, yes, now it's looking better. Now what to do, right click here, go to the silver. Right now sorry, silver, and go to the boolean right now. And right now what to do, let's increase the size like this. Maybe it's looking well. Okay, right click visible item, and you need to unclick to this one label. Yes, this one is the color is green. Right now let me copy same the next one. Yes, like this. Let's modify. Yeah, the A is let's be first focused on the A. A is this one, first is green, and this one is center is your yellow and the end one is your red. Same process what we do. First one is your already green. First one is already green, you not need to change, but right now we need to turn off the background. How we can do this? Right click here, go to the properties, and you see they have a off option. Now click to this one and you need to select the white here like this and click to OK. Same for this one, right click, go to the properties, and right now what do you we need to change the off to the white, same property, but in the on you need to select the orange, and uh maybe uh maybe let me choose this one. Okay, and the last one we need to change to the red property, and on let me click to red, and off is the white. And let me change this one also, that is the yellow, not orange. Yes, this one. Yes, when I click to green, orange and red, looking like this, looking great. Now let me turn off, select this one, and right click here, let me decorate about this, and this one is rise frame, sorry, decoration, and you need to drag this this rise frame like this. Let's modify, guys. Yes, now it's looking amazing. What you do, copy this one, select all these thing and drag here like this. uh, yes, now again we need to little modify, guys, and like this. Yeah, now it's amazing. Yes. Okay, same for this one, and let me do drag same like this. Same for this one, drag here, and the same is the last one, drag like this, drag here. Same the next one, and yes, and this last one, drag here. Yes, and let me increase the size because it's very important. Okay, it's also good. Let me duplicate. Same for this one, sorry, let me delete and let me modify. Yeah, and same for this one also, drag here. Okay, everything is done. Let's the last one is this border, copy and drag here, and arrow is like maybe they have option the arrow like this. Okay, let me choose this line here for better understanding. Otherwise what you do, I will give this document, I will share this document, and you can follow step by step. Yes, this one, and copy here, sorry, this one let me copy and change the direction, change the direction like this. It's all looking nice. Now let's follow this PDF. Yeah, in this A, that is this one is the A and this one is the B. Okay, now let's change the label, this one. What to do, let's right click, go to label, and right now let me change, that is the uh, green A. Okay, sorry, green A means this road, this side is the A, that's why I meant A, and G means green. Same for the next one, this one, right click here, go to the label. Right now what you do, let me change this one also, that is the like your yellow A, and again go to and uncheck for this label, and for this we need to change, that is the red R, and I meant here A. Yes, right click label, this one. Yeah, this one is done. Let I meant here text A and increase their size. Yes, this one is A. Okay, and duplicate this one, and this one is our B. Same, you need to change the this label and here B, sorry, uh, that is green B, and same this one is yellow. Right click, label this one, and let me change that is the yellow for the B line, and the last one is your this one. Right click, label, and this one is your red for B line. Again right click, label, and check this option, not need to visible, not need to show here. Yes, for this one also, this one is let me show, this one is your C, and this one is your D. Yes, and click to this one is red, this one is yellow, and this one is green. Okay, right click here, label, and let me change the name, that is the red for C, and this one is your yellow for C, and this one is your uh, green for C, sorry, green for C. Yeah, again right click and uncheck this label. uh, yes, and copy this one and drag here, this one is your C. Again copy and drag here, this one is your D, and maybe this one is green, this one is yellow. Now this is the green, and what you do, right click here, go to the visible item label, and you need to change that is the D, and I'm at here G and D. G means green, D for D line. Same for the yellow, that is Y, and this one is for D line. Same for the red, this one is the R, and which line, that is the D. Let me see, yeah, all done. Let me uncheck this option label. Same for this one, same for this one. Yes, and let's turn on all this thing and see how it's looking like. Yes, now let's come on the programming part, guys. Press the Control T. Let me increase the size, and let's modify this all these things. Now this one is your A part, this one is your B part, okay, and this one is your C part, and this one is your D part, like this. Yes guys, now first step is complete. Let's come on the programming part. Right click here, go to the structure. First, what to do, let me, okay, case structure, let me drag here. uh yes, and yeah, in this video I'm going to use the multiple local variable. That is not a good thing for the best programmer, but for this video I'm using in the next, or we can say in the advanced programming, we will overcome the local variables. Yes, and what you do right now, right click here, go to the structure, and create a while loop for continuity operation. Yes, right click, create a control, and right now right click, view as icon. uh yes, right click, create a control, this one, this is your control. uh Activate, yeah, this one is, this button is for your activate, this one is your normally stop button. Now I'm using the flat sequence like this, and yes. Now what you do, guys, first right click here and create, you need to use the all constant here, use the local variable, and you need to drag here like this. Sorry, yeah, like this is the A, and same for the B. Right click here, go to the create, and you need to use the local variable like this, drag here. Let's increase their size. Yeah, maybe it's looking nice. Yes, now this one is red, okay, and in the first step is A and B, sorry, A and B, the light is green. Then what you do, you need select all these select all these local variable, right click here, and you need to use the all constant. Yes, you can say it's very amazing. Yeah, right now let me green and other yellow and red is click to false. T means true, it's true means LED is glow, other is false. Same for this one, B, green is on, yellow and red is off for step 1. Now the first step is complete, but we need to use the C and D also, that is the red. Same, you need to drag to C and D. Let me see, create the local variables here. Sorry. Yeah, same for the D, right click, create a local variable, drag a here. Yeah, yes, now select this all local variable, right click local and create the all constants. In this case, the C side is red, this one is true, and other yellow and green is false. Same for the D side, and the D side also, the maybe this one is red. Yeah, red is on, and the this one is yellow is off and green is off. Red is on. Let me modify, otherwise maybe you confused for this one. Red I will put front of the red. Same green and yellow. This one is yellow and this one is your green. Maybe this one is all are same. Yes, first step is complete. Yeah, in the next step what we do, the next step is this one. In the next step, the A and B color is yellow and other C and D are same. For this, what we need to do, again what you do, you need to copy all these part. Now duplicate this one and drag here. Yes, and double click to this one. Yes, it's nice. Okay, in this let I'm enter here, this is the A and this one is sorry, this is the step 1 and this one is your step 2. Sorry, step 2. Yeah, in the step 2, the this one is the yellow is on for A and B and other is off. Same this one. Yes, and this one is the C and D side are same for the red. Now let's come on the next step. Click to add frame. Let me modify this like this. Same for this one. Let's decrease their size. Yes, now again let's again what we do, let's copy this one, or we can say duplicate this part, select this all this thing and duplicate, drag here. Yes, in the step 3, let's scroll down. Yeah, in the step 3, A and B is going to red and C and D is green. Yeah, now let me change, the C and D is green, then you need to click turn on, this one is turn off, same this one, let's be on, and the A and B is trajectory red, that's why let me turn off the yellow and on the red part. Yeah, maybe it's done. Yes, this one lets me copy step, this one is your step 3, and then next is step 4 and you need to use the add frame after this one. Let me modify, this one is your step 4. In the step 4 and this one is step 4, the C and D, the traffic light is yellow and the A and B is the same as the previous. Yeah, again what you do, we need to copy these local variables and drag here in the step 4. In the step 4 and this one is green is on right now, the yellow C and yellow D is turn on, other is turn off, and the A and B is the same part. Yes, now let's come on the next one. Yeah, this one is the last step. After it's all are repeat in the continuity operation. like this one is yellow, and after yellow that then is red. Let's test how it's work. First go to the timing and you need to use the wait, otherwise, and I will tell you about the wait until next, but for this project I will use the normal things. Okay, wait, create constant. Right now I'm going to use the like 1 second. It's, you can change as per requirement, but right now I'm using the only 1 second for every red and green like this. Yeah, save, press the control E, and what we do, let me first click to, okay, yeah, very very important guys. First let me test, after that I will tell you the one important thing. First let me turn off all this part. Yeah, click to continue run. Yeah, and right now let me click to activate, and right now you can see it's working. Maybe it's working well. Okay, the timing is high. Now what you do, let me stop this one, press Ctrl T, and let's increase the 5. Right now I'm using the 5 second. Help for this be easy to understand what's going on. Same for this 5 second. Yes, save this one, press the Ctrl T and click to run. And right now you can see, right now this is take the previous positions of the light, but we need to modify this one. Let's test first, after that we will modify. Yeah, I'm click to run, and let me turn off all these things first, otherwise you are going to confuse. Yes, let me click to run. Yeah, this one is step 1. In the step 1, A and B is turned on or green. Let me on, and right now you can see it's green. Okay, other is off. In the next step, yeah, in the next step yellow, it's working well, and A and D and C is red. In the last, that is the red, A and B is red, and C and D is green. It's working well. And the next step, C and D is yellow, other is red. It's working well guys. Now we need to little modification, and it's continuity operate. It's working well. You can change the time as per your requirement. Let me turn off first and go to the stop button. Yeah, press the Control E, and right now we need to little modification here. Let me do, yeah, I'm going to tell you the advanced option. Okay, that is very very important for your advanced projects and the advanced programming. Okay, now right click here, go to the application control, and you need to choose the VA reference here, like this one. Now click to right click here, click to this one, create, going to method the VA class, and you need to use the default option, that is the reinitialize all the defaults. Yes, and this reference, this one is error, a reference, you need to connect to this one directly. Yes, now it's working well guys. uh yes, now press the Control E or Control T. Let me press the Control E. What you do, let them click to turn on, and you can see all are automatic going to the turn off condition. Okay, this is the best method. You can do modification, like if you click to run, that time this LED is by default turn on, you can do, but right now I'm using the default all LEDs, and when I click to activate, that time it's working. And now you can see when I click to this one, and it's again going to the white, it's not working well, and we need to again little modification. Maybe the problem is related to, yes, why it's not working, because this thing we drag on the while loop, but right now we need to use in the outside of the while loop here, like this. Yes, because it's for once. Now press the Control E, and let me click to turn. Okay, what you do, let me turn on this one, and let me click to on, and you can see now when I click to activate, and it's working well guys. A and B is on, and this is the yellow, and this one last one is the red, and same time C and D is the green. And you can also modify, like maybe I miss the style also, because the A is the like in the upper side and the B is the lower side, as like a design. You can change the design as per the requirement, but right now I'm choose this one. You can modify, and you can easy to drag, like what you do, like if you want the green LED is going to here, then what you do, you need to only click to this one, and you sorry, control E. Yeah, what you do, you need to click and drag here like this, and this one is red. If you want to red here, then you can do like this type of modification, guys. Okay, let me click to default again, same like this. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you really like this video, please like and share our channel. Thank you so much, guys.